in 1904.
Tianjin Nankai Middle School gave birth to Mr. Yan Xiu, a famous patriotic educator, who founded Nankai Middle School at a time when the country and the nation were in danger. Hire Mr. Zhang Boling, a famous patriotic educator, as the principal and make up his mind. For the salvation of the nation, we should study hard, cultivate talents, and be a model of middle school. In 1934, Mr. Zhang Boling solemnly announced in the Ruiding Auditorium that he was fair and capable, and pointed out the direction of functional education of Nankai Middle School for the school motto. Cultivate the merit of Nankai students to love the country and the group and the ability to serve the society. Are you Chinese?
Do you love China? Do you want China?
When young students ignited the fire of youth with sonorous and powerful patriotic questions. They inherited the Nankai gene and shouldered the mission of studying for the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation. After 120 years of tempering, Tianjin Nankai Middle School has cultivated 2 prime ministers of the Republic with patriotic genes passed down from generation to generation. 59 heroes, 70 academicians and a large number of leaders in various fields have made Nankai Middle School a fertile ground for talent training. Was Nankai Middle School assigned by the Ministry of Education in 1978?